Hello everybody, Richard with this final video of his Churchill Fellowship. I know you're probably keen for the last one to be finished. What a journey. It has been a journey. It's been nearly, by the time you get back, it's been nearly 9 weeks. And I've learned a lot. And if any of you people are thinking about applying, I would highly recommend it. You go here thinking about learning about A, but you'll learn A, B, C, D, and F. And if you release content like I have, then opportunities will come up. So I'd recommend that also. So I'm doing crime and justice system lived experience programs for at-risk youth. Basically, when you use lived experience, it's generally for youth. It's generally mentoring. But I wanted to explore the program that houses these lived experience mentors as well as mentoring itself. And I've looked at all sorts of models. Like there's simple models where you get, well, not so simple, but you get people to come out of prison, do activities with the youth. And there's just simple mentoring, like a couple of hours a week voluntarily. And then there's big models that involve like corporations or churches, and they recruit straight out of the prisons. They train them up. They get them working on the outside and doing youth intervention. These can be supervised. Like they can be quite big, like creating a big machine that supports these lived experience people, and it generally has like psychologists and caseworkers and all that sort of stuff, which complement lived experience really well. And a lot of the seasoned people will say, you need that professional model. You want that professional model to work with lived experience to get the best out of it. Now, the top idea, like the key top idea that was repeated over and over and over again, every meeting I had was that using this lived experience, and this was put beautifully, well, using this lived experience is really good at building rapport with the youth when they're really disengaged, and you get the right one, they're motivated to make change as well. But Gabrielle Feldman from Columbia University put this perfectly. It's beautiful. So using this lived experience is a tool of depth, not breadth. So what I mean by that is when you start a program, you may start doing one thing, like it might be driving kids up to see their parents in prison or something like that. Then it may grow to after school program or youth justice diversion program. It might grow to food, donations, housing, and so on, creating breadth of that program. But that only works if the youth is engaged with your program. Now, what lived experience does, it's a tool of depth. So it reaches into those youth and brings them into the program. So it's unique. So it's not a silver bullet or no panacea, but it is a unique tool. And it's a tool of depth. And that just sums it up perfectly. So you can be very place-based with using lived experience. You can have your program that surrounds the mentors, what's needed in the area, but you'll always be able to rely on that, using lived experience to be able to build that rapport and create that relationship with that youth. So if you have a program you're not getting engagement from youth, like the youth are disengaged, you should seriously think about, okay, well, how can we use lived experience to bring that youth into this program? And I thought it was fascinating. Like that, just beautifully, put beautifully. Well done, Gabrielle. You legend. So I'm going to be back on board after Easter. A few of you I've got to catch up with as well. Anyone else wants to catch up, let me know. We have a warehouse on the Sunshine Coast, so we're looking to fit out and get stuff going. Keen on collaborators, keen on getting this going. Just feel free to reach out. All right. If you're thinking about applying for a fellowship, apply. It's an amazing experience.